Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I have a Federal lock, model number HS40P. 40, I imagine it's 40 millimeters that way in its width. Other than that, I don't know. HS, high security, not sure. It does say out of 10 that this is a security rating 5, so very much mid-tier. It does say commercial product. I mean, I'm not sure what that means, but there you go. Anything else it says about it? Brass lock body, shackle protected. That just means this closed shackle here. Double stainless steel ball locking, so it can't be shimmed. Anti-bump, anti-pick, anti-drill. Must have some anti-drill bars in there, so you can't see any anti-drill features at the front. Doesn't say anti-pull, re-keyable and changeable. Okay, 6-pin brass cylinder with 2 keys, anti-cut, super tough, alloy steel shackle, PVD. So interesting. It looks like we might, I'm not sure how, be able to gut this. One set screw for changing key to retaining. So I've not taken these keys off. We can have a look at that. It looks to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. Pretty reasonable bitting there. Look how high that cut is in the middle. Pin 4 there. Let's have a go at picking this. I'm going to be using because it's got an open style keyway, American lock keyway style. I'm going to try and do some top of the keyway tension and use a medium hook. Medium hook? What's a medium hook? Move through the lock. So pin 3's binding. A little click. Do you hear that click? Back through. Nothing on 6. Nothing on 5, 4, 3. Again. No. 2. A little click. Good. And nothing on 1. Back to the back. 5, 4, 3. Sorry, 6 by 4 now. 4's binding quite heavily. Got 4 there. Good. 3, 2, 1. So 6. 5, anything on 5? No. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go back to 6. Feels set. 5 feels set. 4 feels set. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're not getting any more feedback, but that doesn't mean it's open yet, so let's keep going. Nothing on 6. 5, 4, little click. Nothing on 3. Oh, 3, little click. 2, 1. Back to the back. 6, 5, and we're open. There we go. Now, that was kind of cool. It felt like serrations in there, but it could just be that the spool pins were in an odd position and not much of it came into play. It does look like it's a little screw hole there, so let's see whether I can get in there and see if we can remove the core. I didn't even think this was guttable, to be honest with you. I'm a bit underprepared for this. Oh, a tiny little screw. I do have a pinning tray here. Like I said, a bit underprepared. Now that's out, let's just should we lock that back up, or can we poke this out? I don't know how this works. How to get that out? I'm sure it's possible. Is there a little grub screw in there retaining it? I just want to hold. Sorry, 1 minute. Hold this up to my light. No, I think that's a drain. Yeah, that's a drain hole here. Yes, I can see the pick through there. I mean, I have the keys, don't I? So I can lock it back up and see whether that helps. Can I gently remove the plug? Where are the keys? This is going to be a bit more of a pain than I bargained for. I do have some scissors. Yep, I'm going to have to do that. Put that back in. snip these off. Got it. Right. Grab the keys. Don't need this anymore. How do we get this out? It definitely says repinnable. Is there a little mechanism in there? I'm very confused by this. It says it's repinnable, but I can't seem to pull the core out. There must be something going on in here. What's down there? There seems to be something there. No, that's that. There's some kind of like pin thing just down here. Don't really see it, but it doesn't seem to be. That's another drain hole here. That doesn't go anywhere. That's just a drain hole for the shackle. Oh, there's lots of grease in that. I'm really confused. Do you know what? I rarely do this, but I'm gonna have to just turn this off and just see whether I can figure out how to gut this, if you can gut it. It definitely says in here rekeyable and changeable brass cylinder, so there must be a way. 2 seconds. Look, look, there is a little pin. We got it, we got it, we got it. So it's not making it easy. Now can the shackle come out, please, in some position? Ah, right. Is there a spring there? Is this even going to help us now we remove the shackle? Is there anything there that's going to make withdrawing this core any easier? This is such a mystery. It's literally like one of those puzzle locks. Every time I think I've got it, something else happens to make me think that I haven't. Okay, we've got the spring, Oh, that is some grease. I'm going to put that over here somewhere. Ugh. Look at that. Let's clean that off. Right. And there is literally nothing else in there. This is a dumb lock. So we can take the shackle out. Even with the key, I can't withdraw the core. It looks like there's some kind of like little pin down in the middle of it, but I haven't got a clue how to move that. There is no kind of like easy thing to depress in there. It's really strange. I mean, I've tried, but I think I might actually have to like say I'm defeated. I've got a little probe. Hold on, where's my probe? It's a bent pick, but that's thin enough to get in there and see if there's some like little pins or something there to separate or do something with. So I can see them, I just don't know what you do to get this out. I can push on it, I can see that it's moving the core, look at this. But it's not actually, and if I turn it and try the same, then it doesn't do any more, if that makes sense. It doesn't like push the whole thing out. It's try pulling it really hard. Why are you so difficult? I've never known a repinnable lock, supposedly, which is just so obtuse. There's no like little hex bolt or anything down there. Yeah, I'm lost. I got nothing. I've tried everything I can. I can't pull this core out. I'm really sorry. We are actually defeated by the lock, but not by its security, by the fact that for some reason I just cannot gut this thing. If I find out a way to gut this, I will come back on and I will gut it for you. But I'm gonna throw in the towel. I don't know what else to do. Where's my towel? I've got a rag actually. Can I throw in the rag? There you go. Throwing in the greasy rag. I just wiped all the grease off that this rag. Oh, what a nightmare. Oh well, look, if you found this funny, at the very least, then please give this video a like. If you want to see more silly content like this, and you like lockpicking, please subscribe. It really helps my channel out, and there's some really good content coming up. If you have any comments, especially on how you can gut this stupid lock, leave them below. I read them all, and I will definitely try to be reading them if there's a way to gut this, and I'll reply to as many as I can. and I'll see you all next time.